Digestion prefers ambush attack, crushing its victims.
Will you please stop that?
If that dragon shows either of his faces, I'm gonna... There!
Ah! Hey! It's us, idiots!
Your butts are getting bigger. We thought you were a dragon.
Not that there's anything wrong with a dragon-esque figure.
Wait.
Oh, I'm hurt! I am very much hurt!
Chances of survival are dwindling into single digits now. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wrong head.
Fish legs! No, Hiccup!
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Hiccup! Back! Now down there. We have to help.
Stormfly, calm down! It's me! Everything is okay!
They're ignoring us! How do we get their attention?
Well, I might have an idea, but it's stupid and reckless.
You had me at stupid!
Stormfly, if you're gonna attack him, you'll have to go through me.
Look, Hook Fang, we both know you can totally kick Stormfly's tail. But if you want to try, you have to go through me.
It's going. Make up!
Are you crazy?
Roots effect.
What are you doing? They're out of control!
You guys are too close to the dragon root. Pull up!
Are you crazy?
Yeah, this is awesome. We have to get down there, but none of us can get close to that root without our dragons going nuts.
That's not exactly true, Hiccup. Meatlug didn't go crazy.
Maybe Meatloaf.
I'm sorry, fish legs. Did you want that?
Oh,
Stop up! That was mine! Here you go, babe. Did I tell you that you look amazing today? Because you do.
Ugh. Come on, Barf. Starting to stink around here.
Nope, still hates you. Let's blow this place, belch! Ah! All right!
Ha-ha! That's 9 for the twins! Astrid Legs with 3! Fish Legs and Snotlout Trail with none! And
winning together.
Woo! No one can stop me now!
Except for me. We're attached, genius. Quit trying to steal all my glory!
get them, Astrid!
It's my glory!
Oh, it's ruining everything!
No sheep, no glory!
Gotcha! Ha ha! Whoa! Astrid!
Well